Friday, October 14th here. We're just taking off to head out east to our east farms. We got 2 fields of soybeans out there. We're gonna go knock those out, then we'll come back home. We got 1 field left and we'll finish that next week. And we'll be done with soybeans and on to corn. I got a header trailer for this, but it's basically an old 20-foot hay rack running gear that's been made into something that can carry a 40-foot draper. So it is definitely not the safest means to transport this. So we just keep it on the combine and run it out to the field that way. Like neighbors are out in corn. One more neighbor down this road that's on corn also. Maybe next week we should be starting. I wonder who is out driving through my field. Nah, whenever we empty the bins, we set up the grain back, the grain cart, and the semi backs in here. So, gonna happen every year, I guess. Riding over a little bit of beans, but for 17-some dollar beans, it's worth it. Working here on inrows in the next quarter. Kind of interesting, you can see I got 70 feet of a little bit lighter beans. This is because when I pulled in the field, I had a different variety in the bottom of the drill. So, and then I put the darker variety on top. So then the first little bit was the lighter variety coming out of the boxes. And then once that got used up, then the second variety finished the field off here. Working on inrows here. I just about made it back to the road. But I got beans just about ready to roll off my auger side. I gotta back up, make a cutout for the grain cart. He's right behind me. Taking it nice and easy. I don't need no cab beans this year. Well, successfully have no cab beans yet. But it's mighty close. About 30 acres in here. Probably about half of this field will fit in that one bin. That's a little 6,500 bushel bin. So he's got 2 wagons parked right over the auger, and the grain cart will go run from me and go dump on the wagons. I got my grandpa sitting and just watching the wagons. Finishing up short rows here. Finish up the first quarter out east here, just across the road. Moved across to this 95-acre piece. Just about got done with the little sliver here. And we got some long rows on the other side of the waterway, and a few more short rows by the trees. Be down out east with soybeans. And then Monday we'll move back home, and we just got 175-acre piece left. Get that done in a day, then we'll be on to corn. cart ready to empty me. Got my parents on the road to take the auger home from filling the bin. Ended up with one row we didn't get. Oh, come on, Jacob. Alright, well that's the end of that. So until next time, I think we got one day of soybean harvest left and then we'll be starting on corn. So until next time, enjoy. God bless.